Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Charlie, and on behalf of Charlie the Cook Andrews Cooking Channel, I would like to wish you and your families a Merry Christmas. Now, this year for Christmas, I think this is my biggest Christmas to date. I mean, I cooked 15 dishes for Christmas. Wow, I can't believe it. But let me show y'all. Look, watch this. Look at that. I told y'all. Yeah. Yeah, I was quite busy this Christmas. Um, I'm trying to see if do I have any announcements that I would like to make. No, I don't have any announcements because I made all my not all my announcements for Thanksgiving and that was about it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't have no announcements for Christmas. No, just gotta wait for the New Year, and then I might just have some announcements then, but not for Christmas. Yeah, but this is my biggest Christmas today because normally for Christmas I don't really cook anything. I really don't because you got to turn around and cook for New Year. Is it New Year or New Year's? Let me know what you think. Because people be like, Happy New Year's, you know. But I think it's Happy New Year. Anyway, I'm confused just saying it, okay? But anyways, yeah, this year it was really busy for Christmas. Now I didn't do a video or anything because some people asked me about doing a preparation video for Christmas. Well, unfortunately, I could not do that due to me having to cook all this stuff. And then at the same time, I was also working on the recipe for the duck while I was cooking all this Christmas stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I just went ahead and did that and got that out the way. Merry Christmas. Yeah. What did I get myself for Christmas this year? I know probably, a lot of people probably asking me about that. Well, I just cooked myself 3 things and that's about it. You know what I'm saying? Everything else is for everything else 15, about 13 things I didn't cook for everyone else. And just only have just about like 3 little things for myself, you know. Very grateful this Christmas. Yes. Let me stop babbling. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the food because I know that's what y'all want to see, right? I know. But anyways, let me stop playing. But anyways, let's get on to the food presentation. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. All right, now here is the food. Look at that. Ooh, I don't know where to get started, but I'm gonna get started somewhere. We're gonna get started with the desserts. So all right, here I have a praline sweet potato pie. It's basically a sweet potato pie with the praline on top. All right, and here we have another sweet potato pie. This is a regular sweet potato pie. Here is the sweet potato pie squares, a pecan pie, another sweet potato pie, and here is another sweet potato praline pie. All right, now let's go back over here. We got the desserts out the way. I think that was it. All right, here we have the deviled eggs, and here's the barbecue meatballs, the macaroni and cheese, well actually shells and cheese, whatever. I just took it and instead of using the macaroni, I just used the shells. And over here we have the candied yams. I made a small amount. This is all this food is cold, just to let y'all know, just in case the presentation might look a little off. But this is the candied yams right here. This is the green peas, one of the only few dishes that I actually cook for myself. And over here we have the seafood cornbread dressing. That's the first pan. And right here we have a nice big pan of jambalaya with chicken, turkey, and smoked sausage in it. And over here, let me move all the way over here. Hold on, y'all. Here is another pan of seafood cornbread dressing, and the seafood cornbread dressing has shrimp and crab meat in it. And let's get on to the finale. Y'all ready? And here it is, the last thing. And this is the holiday ham. Yes. And that is it. All right, y'all, and that's it. I hope y'all had a fantastic, I hope y'all have a fantastic and wonderful Merry Christmas. I'm gonna tell y'all this, cooking all that food and stuff wasn't really all that bad. It was very, very easy. It wasn't that difficult to do. Like versus like with the Thanksgiving, where I have like 25 to 30 things, you know what I'm saying? But for Christmas, it didn't really seem all that long. By the time Sunday came, I did my pie crust. Monday, I baked all my pies. Tuesday, I was doing all the rest of the preparation. And then came Wednesday, I did like 8 or 9 different dishes. And by Wednesday, and by the time Thursday came, put my ham in the oven and bam, there you go. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it was easy. And then the weather has been really nice. This year. It's been nice and cool. At least I don't have to turn my air conditioner on Christmas Day. You know what I'm saying? So it's wonderful. I love it. Anyways, gotta go. I hope you all have a fantastic, wonderful Merry Christmas and peace out.